that rain to desert moon was all she said. But I knew I heard that stranger voice before. I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing